Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Coca-Cola stock, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin saving with Coca-Cola stock, start by doing thorough research on the company. Familiarize yourself with Coca-Cola's business model, financial performance, and market position. Check for news articles and reports that discuss recent developments related to the company and its industry. Next, create a budget to determine how much you can afford to invest. This budget will help you allocate funds specifically for purchasing Coca-Cola stock. Once you have your budget, open a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Choose a reputable online broker that offers a user-friendly platform and competitive commission rates. After your account is set up, fund it with the budgeted amount. It's important to have sufficient funds in your account before making any trades. Now, search for Coca-Cola's stock ticker symbol, which is KO. Use your brokerage platform to view the current stock price and other relevant data. Evaluate whether the stock is currently undervalued or overvalued based on your research. Decide how many shares of Coca-Cola stock to purchase based on your budget and the current price. Place a buy order through your brokerage account. You can choose between a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, which sets a specific price. Monitor your investment regularly to track Coca-Cola's stock performance. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes and market news. As you hold the stock, think about long-term goals, such as when you might want to sell or reinvest. Re-evaluate your investment strategy periodically, especially during market fluctuations. If Coca-Cola pays dividends, reinvest them to buy more shares for compounded growth. Keeping informed about the company's earnings reports and market trends can help you make better decisions. Always remember that stock investing carries risks, and it's vital to stay educated and patient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.